Welcome to the first episode of AI Cafe Conversation. This is our very first one, and I'm so excited to bring it to you. At AI Cafe Conversations is where your digital brew is always bold, and the tech talk flows as freely as your virtual espresso. I am Sahar, your AI whisperer and your barista in chief, brewing up the finest AI conversations this side of the internet. So grab your favorite mug, settle in, and let's get caffeinated on some AI knowledge together. Let me get my mug, favorite one, and my cold brew. Yummy. Imagine walking into your go-to cafe on a bright, bustling morning. The aroma of freshly ground coffee beans hits you, promising a much-needed jolt of energy. But here at AI Cafe, we are serving up something even more stimulating than a double shot of espresso, a deep dive into artificial intelligence. Now I know what you're thinking, huh? AI, right? Isn't that what's going on? To take our jobs and eventually decide humanity is too much hustle to keep around? Well, not exactly. And that's precisely why we are here, to demystify AI one sip at a time. Another sip right here. That's good. AI, I mean coffee. First up, let's talk about AI in your daily grind. Ever wonder how Spotify seems to know you better than your ex? That's AI, my friend. Mixing your morning playlist like a barista crafts your perfect latte. Extra foam, a dash of vanilla, and absolutely no breakup songs. Or consider how Google Maps reroutes you around traffic faster than you can say road rage. That's AI. Navigating the bustling city streets, ensuring you get to your meeting on time, and most importantly, with your sanity intact. It's like having a personal barista who not only knows your coffee order, but also the best route to avoid that pothole on Fifth Street. But AI isn't just about making life smoother than a well-crafted cappuccino. It's revolutionizing industries from healthcare, diagnosing diseases with the precision and seasoned barista identifying the subtle notes in a single origin coffee, to finance, where AI algorithms trade stocks faster that you can down your morning espresso shot. Though the only weakness in actually the AI is the SEC regulations and how it deals with stocks. So why should you care? Because like coffee, AI is becoming an integral part of our lives, and understanding it's no longer optional. It's necessary. Whether you are a tech wizard or someone like me that is not a techie, someone who still thinks Java is just a type of coffee, there is something in AI for you. Throughout this podcast, we will break down AI concepts into bite-sized, digestible pieces. No PhD required. Think of me as your AI barista, here to guide you through the menu of machine learning, neural networks, and more, helping you find the perfect blend that suits your tastes. And if you are worried about AI, that it's all doom and gloom, fear not. We are here to explore the lighter side too, like how an AI trained to create recipes ended up suggesting beef chocolate as a dish. I mean, I love chocolate and I enjoy beef, but together, really, that's a maca gone very wrong. So welcome to AI Conversation, whether you're here for the AI, the laughs, or just because you mistook us for a real cafe, we're glad you're here. Together, we will explore the world of AI, ensuring you leave each episode more informed and hopefully a little entertained. Remember, in the world of AI, much like in your favorite cafe, There is always something new to try. So subscribe, like, and share, because next time we'll be diving even deeper. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Until then, I'm Sahar, your AI whisperer, saying keep your coffee strong and your curiosity about AI even stronger. Thanks for tuning into AI Cafe Conversations. Catch you on the next brew.